Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to log into Metamask on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To sign in or log into Metamask is pretty simple. Tap Open your Metamask application from your app drawer. The first interface of Metamask will look like this. Tap the Get Started button at the bottom of the page, and now on the next page you can log into your account by selecting Import using secret recovery phrase, or if you don't have an account yet, tap on Create a new wallet. Since I already have a wallet, let me tap on Import using secret recovery phrase. Go through the information first and tap on I agree at the bottom right. Type in your secret recovery phrase in the first text box. Make sure to enter the secret recovery phrases in the right order as it was while you backed up for your MetaMask wallet. Now, on the next field, tap on the new password text box and type in the new password that you would like to select for your MetaMask wallet. Once you do that, confirm your new password on the next field. Remember that every time you import your wallet, you need to type in the new password for your wallet. You can enable this button if you want to unlock your wallet with your Face ID right beneath, and finally tap on the import button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you have successfully logged into your MetaMask wallet account. You'll end up in the Ethereum main network page. Right after you do that, all of the tokens that you have will be displayed on the screen. You can now easily receive, buy, send or swap your cryptocurrency as per your choice. That is how you can easily log into your MetaMask wallet using iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.